Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect the PIERRE RFID with a doorbell version. On the back of the device, under the cover, you can find information about what each wire is for. First, we connect the red wire to the positive, then the black wire to the G&D, the white wire to pin 8, the green wire to pin 7, and finally the yellow wire, which is the feedback, to pin 6. The feedback wire can be connected to any of the pins from 1 to 6. Next, we wire the doorbell. We connect the yellow-black wire to the positive, then the brown-black wire to input 1. The remaining wires won't be needed. Now let's power up the system. As you can see, the red light indicates that the device has power. We open the partner application, select our controller, and go to the Configurable I/O section. Click on Add, then choose the RFID Access Control option. We name it RFID. For the pin setup, we assign D0 to pin 7, D1 to pin 8, and feedback to pin 6. Now to test it, we go to the Output section, click Add and create a virtual door. We name it Door, set the role to Academy and the dashboard to Academy. Select the virtual pin, then click on the Submit. The New Automation tab will appear. Click on it, then choose Add New Automation. Select the existing option and choose the RFID device you just added. Make sure the active field is checked. Click Save, and then Done. Next, let's add the doorbell. Go to the Input section, click Add, then select Button. Name it Bell. Set the role to Academy and choose pin 1 as it's connected to pin 1. Click Save, Submit, and then Done. Now go to the user application. As you can see, the door has appeared. Let's first test the RFID section. We add a card by going to Profile, then Tokens, and clicking Add New Token. Select New RFID Card, and simply hold the phone close to register it. Click Save. Go back to the dashboard, and after a few seconds, you can test it. Once the card is held near the reader, the door will open and the light turns green. Now let's test the doorbell. Since we've already added the button, go to the menu, then Settings and Alerts. Click Add to create a new alert. Name it Bell. Select Academy Role and choose the alert type. For this case, we'll choose Receive Phone Call and click Submit. You'll see the New Automation tab appear. Click on it, then click Add New Automation. Select the bell option and set it up so that when the button is pressed, you receive a notification. Now, when someone rings the doorbell, you'll get an immediate alert on your phone, and that's how you set up an RFID system with a doorbell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.